How to set Google Messaging Receiving app as your default messaging app for Samsung phones running Android 12, 13, or even 14. And let's get started. The fastest way to do this is after installing the Google Messages app, you look for it, and as you tap on it for the very first time, you will most likely get a prompt of whether you want to use your Gmail account that you've used to install this app through Play Store. And if you want to, you can go ahead or just continue without the account. And after that, you'll see this option to set as default SMS app. Okay, and that's going to transfer everything from your Samsung messages over to the Google Messages. If you don't see this option for some odd reason, here's where you can go next. From the quick panel access, go ahead and pull it down once until you see the settings. And from here now, use the search settings here to find this feature here, and it's known as default SMS or default apps. As you start to type it, you'll see it here. This is where we're going. Choose default apps. And as you go here now, you'll see choose default apps once again. And as you see it, tap on it. And then from here, you'll look for SMS app. Tap on this a second time and you'll see the Google Messages app here. When you tap on it, it's now going to be set as your default SMS app to use for texting. Okay. In some cases, you may be required to restart your phone. Go ahead and do that and you're good to go. Like and sub.